Welcome to Overload. I picked up a dock, and depending upon what videos I did in order, this is the CalDigit dock, and this is the TS5, not the TS5 Plus. I thought about the TS5 Plus, but for my work computer, did I really need everything that it had? Probably not. So I did go with this one. It comes with 15 ports of ports of conductivity. Charges a laptop up to 140 watts, 4 Thunderbolt 5 at 80 gigabits per second, the 3 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A at 10 gigabits per second, 1 USB-A at 480 megabytes per second, 8 offline charging ports, connects to multiple monitors, 128 gigs of bandwidth with high-resolution displays, SD and micro SD cards, and a 2.5 gig NIC. So that's the quick rundown of the backside here, if you can see that. Then we have tech specs here, and you can kind of see everything ran down that side of things. I think we just went through everything there. It does have it does come in the box, and we'll see this in a second. You have the TS5 Thunderbolt 5 braided cable, 1 meter. You got 2 rubber feet, 1 power cord, and 1 power supply. And it's got a 2-year warranty on this. It's supposed to work with Mac OS 15 and above, and also Thunderbolt 4 and 5 of PCs, USB 4 as well on the computer, and USB 4 V2. So I would have liked them to put in a HDMI or display port to USB-C for the displays. As you see, this is going to be the quick rundown of all the ports. Hopefully that is all, you can see all of it. I mean, it looks pretty nice overall on the dock side of things. And yeah, we'll see how this all sets up. Let's open it up. I'm going to open it up upside down. Well, there it is. Flip back over to it right. So we'll see how the books are. You just take out this little top, and then you're greeted with a package or something. Let's see what's in the package. Oh, it's a nice, it does have the rubber feet in this package. It has the rubber feet, at least I think, yeah, it looks like the rubber feet. So they just these just fit inside the fins. It actually tells you there, and it has the little instructions in this too. And then you also get the Thunderbolt 5 cable, and it's 240 watts Thunderbolt 5, 1 meter. Actually, it's pretty nice. So you probably wonder why I'm upgrading, or why I'm got a new dock. It's because I am I'm selling my wife's framework laptop, and I'm selling my dock that I had because they wanted a dock. I got a monitor for them, got the keyboard, everything kind of set up, and so I need a new dock. And I figured, what better to sell mine? They get something at a better price, and I get to review something and have fun with another piece of technology. Yes, I do like technology quite a bit. So you get a power cable, and that just plugs into your power brick, which is right here. The power brick is, looks pretty good actually. They have, let's see here. Well, whatever they put it on, it really sticks. It makes it kind of actually difficult to take off this paper, especially since I cut my nails. And so there you go. Here's the power brick. Got the part number, serial number on the back. It's 200 and what is it? Does it say on here? 240 watt power brick. I think the Plus does a little bit more, but I didn't need the Plus. I don't. My work laptop isn't a insanely powerful laptop. It's not a gaming thing. I just use a lot to connect to stuff. So inside of here, I do like how they package the box. So this was down there, and then you just go like this. But you have, a diagram of everything, how it's supposed to connect up, QR code, like what they did there. for all the manuals and stuff. And then at the bottom, you have the last box, so that's empty in there. If you can see, that's all empty. You have the box, and inside this little thing, you take out the dock. So the dock is easier to take out. I actually like how they did this better. I know you're probably hearing all of. Who cares? I'll clean it up later. And we have the dock. So it's whatever color this is. I don't know. It was on sale. It was a really good deal. It was cheaper than the refurbished units by a significant margin. And well, guess what happens when I by that? I said, okay, I'm going to get it. So I do like this. Is got the TS5. You got your SD card slots, USB-Cs, and then a headphone jack. On the back, you do have your 2.5 gig NIC, your power, your USB-A's up there, USB-C's, four of them. We have up on top is your USB 3 data, USB 2 data. Your computer is 140 watts there, so a little bit different than the Corsair dock, which you plug your computer into the front. This one plugs into the back, which I don't know, maybe I'll like it. We'll see. We'll see how this all goes. And then you have the TS5. You know, it's basically like a heatsink, which is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna, if it can just sit like this on this side, then I may just leave it like that on the desk. Might be a little bit more compact for things. Still got to decide what I want to do there. So it's either put it there or on its side someplace, and we'll see. I'll think of something. Uh, I have a network switch on here, this desk too, so I want to make sure everything's there. But you can see, you know, it's all, you know, ribbed to, you know, all like a heat sink, right? They got little fins, as you probably would call them there. So yeah, seems like it's made. It's a nice sturdy device, but it got a nice rubber bottom. And then if you want, you would get this as well. So pretty impressed there. I do like what they've done and in the box. And in about a month, you'll see a review of this guy. I'm going to take it for a test drive and really see what it can do. So hopefully it works well and it's a good replacement for what I have. I think for my personal laptop, maybe I would go with the TS5 Plus. I like the 10 gig and stuff like that on there. But do I really need it? That's where I was with this for the work computer. And that's why I've gone with the TS5 instead of the, well, I probably could get away with a TS4, but the TS5, probably a little bit better option for the long term of things. If I ever get something with Thunderbolt 5, then especially as work laptops get cycled out, at least then there's everything, and it's a lot easier to plug everything into one device than a whole bunch, because there's a lot of stuff I plug into my work laptop, right, that I have, a lot of external screens and stuff. So a little bit easier to do it with one of these than it is with running it to, well, right to the laptop and unplugging it and plugging it in every single time. You may take the laptop someplace. So let me know what questions you have for me on the TS5 and things I can use and test on there too, because I will definitely do that. But you know, you got here's your back ports again if you're curious, and that's how it kind of all lines up. And I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon, as it really does help out the channel. And until next time, God bless.